Welcome to 8B, your partner in education financing. Today, we are going to guide you through our simple, 6-step student loan application process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Loan Inquiry Form. Simply fill out the loan inquiry form with your details. This is where we collect essential information to determine your initial eligibility. Step 2. Pre-approval. Immediately after submitting your application, you'll find out if you're eligible for an 8B loan. No waiting, no stress. We'll share this exciting news through your personalized dashboard, moving you one step closer to your goals. Step 3. Documentation and education. Upon pre-approval, you'll enter the next phase. Here, you'll upload the requested documents right from your laptop, computer, or mobile device. While the 8B processing team confirms your documents, you will be asked to complete a brief financial literacy course designed to help you understand your loan and manage repayment effectively, along with a personal, 5-minute recorded interview to share your story. Step 4. Signing the promissory note. Once your loan package is complete, it's time to make it official. We'll send you a link to review your final loan documentation and terms. Then, with just a few clicks, you can digitally sign the promissory note. It's secure, it's simple, and it seals the deal. Step 5. University certification. With your signed promissory note in hand, we then collaborate with your chosen university. Step 6. Disbursement. And finally, upon closing, 8B takes care of disbursing the funds directly to the university on your behalf, ensuring a smooth and secure transfer. And there you have it. From pre-qualification to disbursement, 8B is here to support your educational journey. Low interest rates, flexible repayment plans, and dedicated customer service, because your future matters. Empower your education with 8B.